IIT Fest. Can you see the name of our fest? What does it mean? It is SpaceX Crew Dragon, right? Do you know? Anybody know what do you mean by that? You don't know? Let me explain. Have you heard about our Sunita Williams? Who is that? Astronaut, right? So you know that what happened to Sunita Williams, right? Few months back, she was trapped in space station, right? ISS. So in fact, actually, there was nobody to go there and help them. So 9 months they were stuck there, right? So there was only one team, SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, right? They made a new spacecraft that is called Crew Dragon. Did you got the point? So to honor them, that is the reason we named this IIT Fest in this name, SpaceX Crew Dragon. Have you got the point, all of you? So let's begin the fest. I would like to invite Mr. Roy Joseph sir for the welcome speech.
Respected dignitaries, my dear children, first of all, a fine good morning to everyone. So let us invite, first of all, put your hand together and welcome our beloved dignitaries here. The first one, we are honored here by the presence of our respected CEO sir, who is a man with a mission and a vision. He put a stone or laid our foundation of Montessori Group of Schools. Let us invite, heartily welcome and invite Mr. George Thompson on the dais. Next, you know, the IIT Foundation at Hyderabad, it is known as Spectro PV. They received our invitation and reached here early. Really, we are thankful for your presence and the valuable words. This will be helpful for the entire audience, students and staff who gathered here. So first of all, I invite Mr. Shravan Kumar sir, CSM Spectro PV IIT Foundation. And next, at the same time, Mr. Naganna sir, IIT NEET HOD Spectro PV IIT Foundation, Hyderabad. Really thank you sir being with us. So sir, you know, the mother of Montessori, it is none other than our beloved Josephine ma'am. Official name is Josephine madam. We are very pleasure to invite and being with us always. Not only here, she is always with us motivating and encouraging each and every program. You know, our beloved madam, we expect she is reaching here. So there is no further explanation about our ma'am. In academic and non-academic events, her involvement is very valuable and encouraging us really. I cordially invite Mr. Ranjit sir on the dais. HOD and IIT in charge, Mr. Ranjit Kumar sir. Your esteemed presence is an energy for us, especially for IIT students and all the students and staff. So, lastly, I invite all the teachers, HODs, all the students, especially IIT students, the participants, non-teaching staff, all the people. You are cordially invited to attend this program and let us start our program. First, I invite Mr. George sir to inaugurate our fest. Slogan. Process is called docking. It takes lot of engineering skills. It is required. So even our India is achieved that. And yesterday, while during the rehearsal, I have observed in our Montessori school, little scientists were brought so many items, and they were performed very enthusiastically that with very confidently they were performing all those things. So I congratulate all those students, those who are the participants of this, and many of you I found sitting in front of me without any participation. By the next time you should not repeat this. In different schools I have worked, but I understood that Montessori school or Montessori group of school is giving more importance to IIT education. Moreover that in all the field, and they are conducting IIT Fest to develop the students.
A heartful welcome to each and every one of you. A heartful welcome to each and every one of you joining us for this prestigious IIT Fest proudly organized by Montessori School. I am Khansar Mama. I am delighted to deliver this speech at this wonderful event. I am Malvika from 8th standard. We request you to watch our demonstration or presentation which would help in your day-to-day activities. Today we are going to tell about ISS. ISS, International Space Station. ISS is a giant laboratory where astronauts conduct experiments like medicine, space technology, and how the human body reacts on living in space. This helps scientists to learn more about space travel and prepare for our future mission to the moon and the Mars. The International Space Station is a large spacecraft orbiting the Earth, surviving habitable space agency. It is a collaborative project involving multiple space agencies where astronauts conduct experiments in microgravity. The fascinating fact about ISS is that it travels in the speed of 28,000 kilometers, which means it completes an orbit around the Earth in just 90 minutes. And board members can also see 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. Where scientists are able to conduct experiments in microgravity, it also serves to have a circular platform for testing new technology which will help in your future deep and exploration among participants in space agency. The ISS is a symbol of international cooperation where all countries come together to explore the universe and it inspires young minds like us. The International Space Station is a cooperative project involving 5 multiple space agencies. They are United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, Europe, etc. Sunita William and Butch William and board members decided the plan of 8 days, but unfortunately because of the damage of aircraft, they stayed 9 months. Recently, Sunita William and Butch William went to spacecraft because to research experiment in microgravity. They went on June 5, 2024 and they returned on March 18, 2025, 3:20 a.m. in America. Thank you.
Now let us invite Chaitrali and Ritika of 8th A1 IIT batch. They will explain something about wireless power transition.
A very fine good morning to everyone. Today we are on our way to celebrate IIT Fest 2025 which we celebrate year after year for serving humanity.
We request you to watch our demonstration and presentation which will help you in day-to-day activities.
I am P. Yutika.
I am G. Chaitali. We are from 8th standard. Today we are going to explain about wireless.
Wireless power transmission is a technology that enables the transfer of electrical power from a power source to a device without any wires or cables.
Principles of wireless power transmission. Electromagnetic induction. Wireless power transmission uses the electromagnetic induction to transfer the energy between transmitter and the receiver. Magnetic resonance. Magnetic resonance is used to enhance the efficiency of energy transfer.
Types of wireless power transmission. Inductive coupling. Energy is transferred through magnetic field between two coils. Capacitive coupling. Energy is transferred through two electrical field between two electrons. Magnetic resonant coupling. Energy is transferred through magnetic field between two resonant coils.
Applications of wireless power transmission. Consumer electronics. Wireless charging of mobiles, tabs and laptops. Electric vehicles. Wireless charging of electric vehicles. Industrial automations. Wireless powering of sensors and actuators in industrial automations. Medical implants. Wireless powering of medical implants like pacemakers and cochlear implants.
Advantages of wireless power transmission. Convenience. There is no any wires or cables. Safety. There is no any electrical shock or fire. Efficiency. High efficiency power transfer.
Disadvantages of wireless power transmission. Low efficiency compared to wired charging. Limited range. Slow charging speed. Device specificity. Compatibility issues with different standards.
Wireless power transmission is invented by Nikola Tesla at the end of 19th century and he successfully lit a lamp bulb wirelessly.
Materials required for doing this project. Copper wire, one capacitor and 3 resistors, 4 diodes and 2 batteries.
So you can see this, there is no any connection to this copper wire. So when we replace this copper wire on another copper wire, we can see the LED bulb is glowing.
This is because when we place the copper wire on another copper wire, the magnetic flux is more. When we take this copper wire far from the another copper wire, we can see that magnetic flux is less.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
You know acids and bases, class 7 students? Acids and bases? How will you find whether the given solution is acid or base? Yes. The test is being conducted by Shiga and Freya of class 6th A1 IIT batch.
Good morning everyone, those who are present here. You know that we are celebrating our IIT Fest 2025 after year. So myself, Shikha from 6th standard, and here I am conducting a small experiment to detect the given solution, whether it is acid, base or indicator. So I have here some solutions. So I have here some solutions. I am taking one of them. And I am taking blue litmus paper. And dip into it. Orange. Orange. It is yellow in color. And again methyl orange. Which is the color? Thank you.
Give them a huge clap because they presented how acid base can be detected. Yes. Next, I invite the Hari and Harini of class 8-7 IIT batch to present the dissection of God's heart.
Good morning everyone. We are excited to present our project on the dissection of potash. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Hari.
My name is Sunny. We are ready to share what we have learned about this instrument. Let us dive in and discover how this heart works.
The heart is very important organ in our body and it pumps blood to all our body parts.
Understanding heart helps us to know how our body stays healthy and how blood circulates. Dissection of heart helps us to see the parts present in it.
One fact about the heart beats 1 lakh times in a day and it pumps 2000 gallons of blood through our body.
Now let us cut this heart.
You can see here heart. You can see here there are 4 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The top chambers are called atria. This is right atria, left atria, right ventricle, left ventricle.
Okay, let me tell about heart. You can see here thread-like structure or stroke-like structure which allows the blood to flow in one direction and prevents the blood from flowing backwards. Artisans and veins. These are the two types of blood vessels present in this heart. You can find here white-like structure. It is the biggest artery present in this heart and it is named as aorta. Okay, now you all of them got about heart now. So say why heart is important. Can anyone? let me say, heart is the main part in every human being, and the main job of the heart to pump blood to lungs to get oxygen, and the rest of the body should be on working. Without heart, you won't able to get oxygen and nutrition. The heart is amazing thing, right? It beats day and night without stopping.
It's really a wonderful program. They have taken a good initiative. Give a big round of applause to them. Please encourage this all students. I think you are getting bored, but it's not a bored program. It is innovative programs are going on here. So each and every student has to appreciate your colleagues and encourage them. Huh? Isn't it? Are you ready? And about our sir said, next time everyone has to come forward and show any items before the student. So we are giving a good opportunity to each and every student show a good performance and show their skills. So I really appreciate the teachers and the students and those who are guide you. The teacher who has guide you. Really grateful. Thank you.
Next, I invite Kirti and Jayasri Bai to do a wonderful experiment, fireball. So, you have to appreciate the first you invite them with a huge applause. This is a fire experiment.
A very fine good morning to everyone. The purpose today I am here to celebrate our IIT Fest 2025, which we will celebrate year after year for surviving humanity. I request all of you, please watch my experiment, which will be useful for your day-to-day activities. Yes, I am P. Shiva from 9th standard. Today I am here with fire bubble experiment. When we are going with our experiment, the flammable gas trapped heat from the spray bottle, and when we get towards closer to the fire, the gas heats up and started burning, and at the final we can understand that you do not burn yourself because the water in the bubble on your hand will absorb heat instead. Now I would like to call Ranjit sir.
This is an excellent reaction in chemistry. Next, we are all experienced measuring our blood pressure. Have you experienced that? Yes. Here we have a junior doctor. It is none other than Ms. Kirti of 9th. She will measure the blood pressure of some persons here. So let us invite Kirti on the stage.
A very fine good morning to everyone. Today we all gather here to perform and celebrate IIT Fest. Before starting my introduction, I would like to say a small thought about our life. Everything is when when you are busy. But nothing is easy when you are busy. Yes, I'm MTT from 7. Today I'm here to check BP of any patient. However, BP rises, forcing the blood to come out of the heart and into the arteries. When there is force is provided by the heart and its highest ventricles contract. When there is drop in pressure, the ventricles will fill the blood in the next beat. Now I am going to the next topic, sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is a device which measures the pressure. There are two types of pressure, systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure, it's the strongest pressure and highest pressure. Its entirety is 150 millimeters of Hg. Now diastolic pressure, it's the lowest pressure. When there is drop in pressure, ventricles refill the blood in the next beat. Its entirety is 80 millimeters of Hg. There are two types of diseases according to pressure. Hypotension and hypertension. Hypotension is below the normal and 80 by 60 millimeters of Hg. Hypertension above the normal 20 by 80 millimeters of Hg. BP changes according to our activity like walking, running, etc. Its symptoms are chest pain, shortage of breath, etc. Now I would like to call any one of the parents to perform my experiment. I would like to call.
Before coming this program, my BP was normal. I want to check my BP is raised or not.
Before starting my experiment, please be quiet. One of the parents got 130 by 90. 130 is an systolic pressure and 90 is an diastolic pressure. So the one parent has normal. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Okay, the one IIT Fest is a magician. He wants to perform tricks using magic cards.
Gaurav. I am from 7th level. Today our school is going to celebrate IIT Fest. Today I am here to fast planning trip. First I will call senior Ranjit sir on. Now I will divide it.
This was the card which I have selected and has given the right information.
Next I will take select 4 to 8 between one number 4 to 8. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See the bottom card. Now I will, this magic was held by Einstein, so I will spell Einstein. Now I will do down under. This was your card.
Correct, sir. Hello, sir.
Now let us watch a wonderful classical dance by our students. Sir, please. Yes, it was really an amazing performance. Give them a huge applause of appreciation. So why you are inactive? You have to entertain all the programs here. Now, I would like to invite our CEO, respected George Thomas, sir, to have a small message. Sir.
Distinguished guests, HMs, Jocelyn Madam, Regis Sir, my dear teachers, students and parents. So it is not an appropriate time to deliver a message. But to see the performance of the students, I am very delighted to stand before you say some few words about our IIT programs. So as I mentioned in the earliest, we may feel that this is a boring program, but Montessori stands for the opportunity, give opportunities to each and every student. Conducting 2 English programs, sports activities, arts activities, IIT Fest, and club activities. So every students will get opportunity to perform their skills. So we, the Montessori Group of Schools, train the students to achieve the competitive exams. So every Monday to Friday morning 8:15 to 9 o'clock we have online classes, not only based on the syllabus. So students will search any topics, specified topics, and they will attend the exams and they search themselves and improve their talent and improve their knowledge. and every weekly we have tests, and we send the messages and we conduct the exams, and we are providing all mark sheets and all. So this year we are going to associate it with Spectro PV IIT Foundations. Authorized persons are here to explain about their programs. So now it is 7th year of IIT Fest. Now our students are in almost in level. Now we have to upgrade the level of the students. That is why we are associated with a big group called Spectro PV IIT Foundations, and they are here to explain their features, and they are explain about their programs and what the benefits is getting to our students. So I request that parents and students maximum you utilize our programs and improve your knowledge. So it is the basic steps to perform your knowledge. It helps you to write engineering exams or NEET exams, whatever it is. Now we observe the programs of our students. So it is our responsibility to encourage the students, and we want more Montessorians become doctors and engineers and IPS and IAS officers in future. So here Montessori teachers are always with your students, with the kids, and they will guide you. I promise that we always 24 hours, we always before you to guide your kids. So I request the students also, please cooperate with your teachers, and you see the performance of our kids. With the cooperation of our teachers, they have done a wonderful programs here. So once more I appreciate the teachers and parents and the students for encouraging the students. Now I invite Shravan Kumar sir, Spectro PV IIT Foundations, to explain about the programs. So please listen carefully and what are the objectives or infrastructures they are going to provide. They will explain it. And next year 6th to 10th class IIT sections we are going to adopt interactive board systems. This is a special feature for next academic year. Every class you will get interactive board, and the teachers will explain more than the syllabus, and it is very useful for you. I invite Shravan Kumar sir to explain about these programs, and we can go and we can associate with this team in near future, and we can achieve a good goal in your life. Please. So I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Next, I invite Shravan Kumar sir on the dais.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents and students, good morning to all, and all of you welcome to IIT Fest in this school. So first of all, I would like to thankful to our school management, because Spectro PV is collaborating with this school. Thank you, sir. Thank you, correspondent sir and principal sir. So I am here to explain what is the use of IIT Foundation. So for better understanding, I will explain in Telugu. Okay? Yes. So nowadays, IIT is very important. In every school, IIT Foundation will be there. So ఎవరైనా IIT Foundation ఉంటేనే చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఆ స్కూల్లో జాయిన్ అవుతారు. లేదంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ లేని స్కూల్లో తక్కువ స్ట్రెంత్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఉన్న స్కూల్లో ఈ మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్ అనేది ఒక బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్? సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐఐటి? ఐఐటి అబ్రివేషన్ తెలుసా? IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Examinations. So ఈ రెండు IIT and NEET నేషనల్ లెవెల్స్లో ఎగ్జామ్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇలాంటి ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్ కాంపిటీషన్ లెవెల్స్లో మనం మంచి ర్యాంక్ సాధించాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఐఐటి అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్స్ హ్యాస్ డిఫరెంట్ aspirations, different goals. For example, some children want to become doctor, some children want to become engineer, data scientist, data analysis. So these are the different national exams. So ఇలాంటి aspirations ఉన్నప్పుడు సో మనలో కొన్ని క్వాలిటీస్ అనేది ఉండాలి. ఇలాంటి నేషనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ సాధించాలంటే మనలో కొన్ని స్కిల్స్ అనేది ఉండాలి. ఏ స్కిల్స్? సో ఇవన్నీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీద బేస్డ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నీట్, నెక్స్ట్ ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ, ఓకే, క్యాట్, గేట్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ నేషనల్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. సో ఇవన్నీ నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో జరుగుతాయి. ఇలాంటి వాటిలో మనం సర్వైవ్ కావాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ నీడ్స్ ఫర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కెరియర్. మీ లైఫ్లో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కావాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ మెనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, నీట్, ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ, బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, ఓకే, ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్, ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు క్వాలిఫై కావాలంటే మీకు ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ లేకపోతే అలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు క్వాలిఫై కాలేరు. So that is the main important use of IIT Foundation. So foundation అనేది బిల్డింగ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ బిల్డింగ్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో బెటర్ ఫౌండేషన్ లేకపోతే బిల్డింగ్ అనేది కొలాప్స్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ కూడా సేమ్. మీలో ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఉంటే లైఫ్ అనేది గ్రోత్ అవుతుంది. అలాంటి ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ లేకపోతే మీరు లైఫ్లో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కాలేరు. సో అందుకు ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. So next, IIT Foundation useful for the understanding question paper pattern. For example, JEE. So ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మీకు ప్యాటర్న్ తెలియాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాన్ ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్ 10th క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్, ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్, టాపర్స్. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఐఐటి లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్గా వాళ్ళు ఐఐటిలోకి వెళ్ళి ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తే వాళ్ళకు ర్యాంక్స్ రావు. 10th టాపరు, ఇంటర్లో టాపరు, కానీ ఐఐటి ఎగ్జామ్లో ర్యాంక్ తెచ్చుకోలేరు. సో దానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ లేదు. సో అతనికి తెలియదు, టాపర్ కావచ్చు కానీ ఐఐటి ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, ఏ క్వశ్చన్కి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్, ఎన్ని నెగిటివ్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ అయితే -1, ఒక క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్ట్ అయితే +4 మార్క్స్. సో ఇలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్ అతనికి తెలియదు, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు. సో అందుకు నాన్ ఐఐటికి చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సో ఈ స్కూల్లో 8th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్, 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ నాన్ ఐఐటి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఐఐటి ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు 10th క్లాస్కి ఐఐటి లేదు. సో 8th క్లాస్ వరకు ఐఐటి తీసుకున్నారు. సో 8th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి ఐఐటి చదువుతుంది, 10th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి ఐఐటి లేదు. సో 10th క్లాస్ తర్వాత ఇద్దరు చిల్డ్రన్ ప్లస్ పేరెంట్స్ హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళారు నారాయణ కాలేజ్లో, చైతన్య కాలేజ్ జాయిన్ కావడానికి. సో అక్కడ టీచర్స్ 10th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయిని అడిగారు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ లా. అడిగితే 10th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి చెప్పలేదు. 9th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి చెప్పింది, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ లా అంట. 8th క్లాస్ ఐఐటి చదివింది కాబట్టి అమ్మాయి చెప్పుకుంది. 10th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి ఐఐటి లేదు, నాన్ ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్, ఆ అమ్మాయి చెప్పలేకపోయింది. సో అప్పుడు అమ్మాయిని అడిగాడు, సార్ మీరు 8th క్లాసే కదా, ఐఐటి న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ లా ఎలా తెలిసింది, మీకు ఎన్సీఆర్టీలో లేదు కదా, స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో లేదు కదా అని అడిగారు. అడిగితే అమ్మాయి ఏం చెప్పింది, నేను ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్ సార్, మా స్కూల్లో మాంటెసోరి స్కూల్లో మాకు ఐఐటి ఉంది, మాకు ఐఐటి టీచర్స్ బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు, సో దాన్ని నేను చెప్పగలిగాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఐఐటి అండ్ నాన్ ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్, సో ప్రజెంట్ ఫేస్బుక్, ఫుడ్ డెలివరీ యాప్స్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఓకే, అమెజాన్, మీషో, సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి, ఎవరు డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఓన్లీ ఐఐటిఎన్స్. సో ఇంటర్ తర్వాత ఐఐటి జేఈ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలి, ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసిన తర్వాత మంచి వస్తుంది ఎన్ఐటి. సో అలాంటి కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఏ ర్యాంక్లో చేస్తుంది, చేసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళకు ర్యాంక్ ఇస్తారు నేషనల్ వైడ్గా. లో ఉన్నారు, ఏ ర్యాంక్లో ఉన్నారు అనేది ఒక ర్యాంక్ ఇస్తుంది. ఆ ర్యాంకుని బట్టి మీరు మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్ని, ప్రిపరేషన్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలా, డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలా అనేది డిసైడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ చదివితే పిసిఎంబి, మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ, బయాలజీ సబ్జెక్టు చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతారు. ఎనీ ఎగ్జామ్స్, బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్ తీసుకున్న, రైల్వే ఎగ్జామ్స్ తీసుకున్న, ఏ ఎగ్జామ్స్కైనా ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఈ ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ లెవెల్స్లో ఉండే క్వశ్చన్సే అక్కడ మీకు వస్తాయి. సో మాకు ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాదు సార్, డాక్టర్స్ కాదు సార్, ఏదో మేము చిన్న జాబ్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఇవి ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా మనకు వచ్చే అవకాశాలు. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, సక్సెస్ఫుల్ క్యారియర్. మీ లైఫ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అచీవ్మెంట్ చేయాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నీట్ జేఈ ప్యాటర్న్ తెలియాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కాంపిటేటివ్ లెవెల్స్, మీ కాంపిటేటివ్ లెవెల్స్ ఏ ర్యాంక్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు అనేది తెలుసుకోవాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ, బయాలజీ స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉండాలంటే IIT Foundation important. So here in the IIT Foundation you put little efforts and get more benefits. Okay, so తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో ఎక్కువ లాభం మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది. IIT Foundation అనేది ఇప్పుడు మాత్రమే అమౌంట్ పే చేస్తాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ IIT స్టూడెంట్స్కి 15,000 to 20,000 ఎంతో ఫీజు ఉంటుంది. సో మనం 10th ఇంటర్ వరకే ఈ అమౌంట్ అనేది పెడతాం. కానీ ఐఐటిలో ఐఐటి ర్యాంక్ సీట్ రావాలంటే అమౌంట్ తీసుకోరు. సార్ నాకు సీఎం రికమెండేషన్ ఉంది, పిఎం రికమెండేషన్ ఉంది, నాకు ఐఐటి సీట్ కావాలి అంటే ఎవరు ఇయ్యరు. మీరు అమౌంట్ పెట్టేది ఓన్లీ 10th ఇంటర్ వరకే. ఒకసారి 10th ఇంటర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సార్ నాకు 10 lakhs పెడతాను, 20 lakhs పెడతాను, 1 crore పెడతాను, నాకు ఐఐటి సీట్ కావాలంటే ఎవరు ఇయ్యరు. నాకు పిఎం రికమెండేషన్ ఉంది, సీఎం రికమెండేషన్ ఉంది, నాకు సీట్ కావాలంటే ఎవరు ఇయ్యరు. మీ ఓన్ టాలెంట్ పైన ఈ ఐఐటి ర్యాంక్స్ అనేది మీరు సాధించుకోవాలి, మీరు తెచ్చుకోవాలి. సో ఎవరి రికమెండేషన్ చెల్లవు. సో రికమెండేషన్స్ అంటే అమౌంట్ ఉంటే తెలుస్తుంది. దేంట్లో నీట్ ర్యాంక్స్ రాకపోతే మనం పేమెంట్ సీట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో పేమెంట్ సీట్స్లో 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 1 crore వరకు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇలాంటి అవకాశాలు మనకు రావాలంటే ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. So what is the need of IIT? First, successful career, achievement of all competitive exams, know the patterns of the JEE NEET exams, and you will strong in the maths, physics, chemistry and biology, and you will know the levels, competition levels. So these are the uses of IIT Foundation. So in this IIT Foundation, you will put the little efforts, తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మోర్ బెనిఫిట్స్, ఎక్కువ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. సో అందరూ ఐఐటిలో జాయిన్ కావాలి. సో ఈ కాంపిటీషన్ లెవెల్స్లో తట్టుకోవాలంటే ఐఐటి ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో నార్మల్ స్టూడెంట్ కంటే ఎవరు రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వరు. ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటే కొద్దిగా డిమాండ్ ఉంటుంది, డాక్టర్. సో ఇలాంటి స్టేజ్లో మనం ఉండాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, మనం బాగా లైఫ్లో డెవలప్ కావాలంటే అందరిలాగా చదివితే మనం డెవలప్ కావాలి. కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఆలోచించాలి, డిఫరెంట్గా చదవాలి. అలాంటప్పుడే మనకు కొత్త ఇన్నోవేటివ్ థింకింగ్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో అమ్మాయి చదువుతుంది, ఆ అబ్బాయి చదువుతున్నాడు, ఆ అమ్మాయి 1 hour చదువుతుంది, నేను 1 hour చదువుతాను అంటే కుదరదు. మనకు చదువు రాలేదు, మిడిల్లో ఉన్నాము, మనం 2 hours ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. ఒక 3 గంటలు చదవాలి. వాళ్ళు ఒక 1 hour చదివితే బాగా చదివే వాళ్ళు, చదవని వాళ్ళు 2 hours టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకి తెలియకూడదు మనం చదువుతున్నట్టు. చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ స్కూల్లో చదవరు, ఇంటి దగ్గర మాత్రం బాగా చదువుతారు. ఓకే, అంటే ఏదో ఒక స్కిల్ అనేది మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో అందరిలాగా చదివితే మనం డెవలప్ కాలేము, కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ విల్ గివ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టీచర్స్. టీచర్స్కి రెస్పెక్ట్ అనేది ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనకి ఫ్యూచర్లో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కెరీర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఒకసారి కైట్ చూసినారు కదా, గాల్లో ఎగురుతుంది కైట్, గాలిపటం చూసారా? ఆల్రెడీ సంక్రాంతి పండుగ వేరేసింటారు. సో అలాంటి కైట్, మనం కైట్ను చూస్తాం, గాల్లో ఉండే గాలిపటాన్ని చూస్తాం, కానీ దాని కింద థ్రెడ్ ఉంటుంది. థ్రెడ్ ఎవరికైనా కనిపిస్తుందా? కనిపించదు. సో టీచర్స్ కూడా అలాంటి వాళ్ళు. మీరు కైట్ లాంటి వాళ్ళు, టీచర్స్ థ్రెడ్ లాంటి వాళ్ళు. ఆ థ్రెడ్ అనేది సపోర్ట్ ఉంటేనే గాలిపటం అనేది పైకి ఎగురుతుంది. ఆ టీచర్స్ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటేనే మీరు ఫ్యూచర్లో డెవలప్ అవుతారు. సో గివ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టీచర్స్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. I think all of you understood the importance of IIT. IIT education is a very high level when compared with our state syllabus. So, understand the things. That is why we promote IIT here. Next, I invite Raghav and Abdul from Padmavati branch to conduct their experiments.
Good morning to all. My name is Abdul Farhan.
My name is Sagar Singh. We are from Padmavati Central School. Today we are here to show the presence of starch and the presence of fats in our food items. We eat different kinds of food items in our daily life. They contain vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, roughage, fibers, etc. So to find this, me and my partner Abdul are performing here two tests to find the presence of starch and the presence of fats. So first we will start with the presence of starch. First we can cut an potato in slices. Then we will use iodine and make it drop by drop on the potato. After some time, we can check the color in it. The potato contains starch and it will become in dark blue or black. So now we can leave it for now. So then we can check the color afterwards. We can go for our second experiment.
Fats. Fats are the nothing but it is an extra nutrition present in our body, which are good, but we are eating junk food. That fats are very harmful for us. For understanding fats, we are moving on second experiment. Now my friend will take groundnut and a A4 sheet paper. Now my friend will rub the groundnut on the A4 sheet paper. The oily substance will come. If the oily substance will come, so the fats are present in it. So we can see some oily substance. Those are fats. Now we will see our first experiment, the starch of potato. We can see the color of potato is changed. It's changed to dark color. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, students. They did well their experiments. Our food contains so many components like carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, etc. Next, I invite Sloga and Srinidhi to perform some chemical experiments. So you watch carefully. They will explain each and every points behind these reactions. What are the chemicals used? What are the reactions are there? So this is a time to listen them. They will explain. Okay.
A very fine good morning to the people who are present here. Today, on 4th of April 2025, Montessori English Medium High School is celebrating its IIT Fest. On this auspicious occasion, we would like to perform some experiments belonging from chemistry which dazzles our eyes and stays in our hearts. Before going to the experiments, we would like to introduce ourselves. Myself, I'm Shloka and I'm from 9th standard.
I'm Shrindi from 7th standard.
So our first experiment name is magic bottle, also known as blue bottle. I would like to call Dr. Sir to take this. So we have seen that after shaking this bottle, we have noticed the blue color in this bottle. So when it is not disturbed, we can notice the color is disappears. The reason behind this magic is we have added potassium hydroxide, methylene blue, glucose in this bottle. So when we are shaking, the oxygen levels will be more in this bottle and it turns into blue. When it is not disturbed, the oxygen levels will be less and the color disappears. Thank you. So our second experiment name is production of smoke. The components needed in this experiment are china dish, potassium permanganate, glycerin, water and spatula. Add potassium permanganate into a china dish. Add glycerin to the china dish. Add water to it. evolving in this China dish, evolving from China dish. So the materials we have added are also very active to the water and it reacts with water. Thank you.
This experiment shows that sodium metal is a high explosive. Okay. For a joke, you don't use sodium or potassium metals. Each experiment you have to entertain them because they are taking some risk also. So each and every experiment you entertain them by cupping. Put your hand together and appreciate them. Okay.
So our next experiment name is water to soft drink. This experiment involves 4 beakers. Coming to the experiment, we have took 4 beakers. We have took sodium carbonate in first beaker, next water, next phenolphthalein, next barium chloride. Add sodium carbonate to the water beaker. Mix it well. Next, add it to the phenolphthalein. Which color does it turn? So we can prove that it is a base, right? Next, add this solution to the barium chloride solution. We can notice that the color slightly changed. From pink to it turned into rose pink. From this, the experiment takes place from water to the soft drink. Thank you.